All right, so there are several ways you can input your new leads into KV Core. In this video, I'm going to go over how you can do this manually. So you want to go to your Smart CRM and go to All Contacts. Under More Actions, you just want to go in and it's supposed to be where you can add contact in here. Straight up here, go to the green button, Add New Contact. So you want to type in, of course, their first name, their last name, their email, their cell phone number. Now, this is very important here. You need to click all of these to yes. If not, nothing in your campaign will go out to them. And it'll show us if you can't call. So make sure you switch these to all yes. If you have their address, type all that in. Then you want to select whether they're buyer, seller, renter, vendor, agent, whatever it is they are. Your lead status is whether they're SPEAR, prospect, new lead, active lead, client, contract, closed. More than likely, you're not going to be putting in a closed client in here. Then you can choose the campaign you want them on. And you also need to put in lead owner. So that would be your name under agents, okay? And then you would choose which smart campaign. You don't need to do anything with the lender or CC lender. Here's where you want to put in some hashtags. So if it's a for sale by owner, FSBO, whatever your hashtags might be, you want to put them here. And then you just click Add Contact. And that is all you need to do to manually input a lead. Now, after I manually input my leads, I do like to go in, and if they are a buyer, I want to make sure they're on a property alert. If they're a seller, I want them on a market report. But this also, I like to go in and check to make sure all the information is showing up right, that the campaign is showing up, and that the hashtags have shown up. And that all this is correct. And once it is, then I just close out and I am done making a brand new lead manually.